Welcome. Last time we looked at sales, where we looked at customers, quotations, invoices, paid invoices, and unpaid invoices. Now we'll be looking at transactions. So under transactions, we have got different items. The first one is the transaction history, which just shows you transactions that have happened in the system, the debits and credits, and which user initiated that payment. So there's this one, this is the payment, this is the payment, this is the payment for an invoice. So there are different types of payments. There are those payments which are made by customers, payments which are also made by companies to vendors for purchases. So all that is being recorded in the transaction history. Another aspect of transactions item is the trial balance. When you click on trial balance, that's where it shows you all the account controls with their sitting balance. So for example, all accounts that fall under cash and hand, this is how much they have in the debit and in the credit. So each account head shows you how much the accounts which are how much is in the individual accounts for the all accounts which are under that account head. For example, all accounts that fall under credit cards have got this amount in their debit. Everything under salaries has got this amount. And then at the end, you can even be able to see the total debits and the credits as they are balancing up. So this is the total amount in the sale on products. This total amount account receivables, like that. So as the transactions are increasing, even the amount here will be updating. The other item on transactions is the accounts ledger. The accounts ledger shows you all the transactions grouped by account. So now this is now the individual accounts, how payment is happening, what credits are there, what debits are there, those kinds of items. So there are a lot of them. What I'll do now to this page is that I'll add the pagination so that it can be easy to get from one item to another instead of having a long list like this. I'll add those page numbers for the table so that it can be easy for you people to be able to view the details of these accounts. Another part on the transactions is that we can be able to create a manual transactions. So far the transactions that have been happening are system-based transactions where a payment is done or we make a payment. But then there are times when you'd want to get money out of the account or put money into the account or move funds from one account to another. We can be able to do that through a process where we generate a general transaction. For example, we can say we're going to debit this account. Maybe we are going to debit maybe our, which account is that? Maybe we are going to debit our petty cash and then credit our cash at hand, cash on hand, like that. And so that is when you have got money in your petty cash and you want to withdraw it so that you can use it maybe for things during the day. Maybe we can say the amount of cotton is 1,000. We can even put a reason why you have taken this money. Maybe you can say money for lunch, like that. And then we submit. So once you submit, the transaction has been saved successfully in our system. So that's only on creation of a transaction. And another part, I think on transactions we are done. We'll now go and look at the payroll. The payroll is a bit complex. So let me just do it properly on the next video so that I can explain everything on the payroll.